The Never Stop Learning Contest is back and better than ever. This year, we have changed the format so everyone across the world can take part, and the prize is up for grabs, total over $30,000. You can take part in person or on the Rap Institute YouTube channel. The Never Stop Learning Contest takes place at the ISA Sign Expo in Las Vegas at the Mandalay Bay, April 23rd through the 25th. We will be doing 6 live rap demos a day featuring material from these leading manufacturers. We will be wrapping a wide range of objects from box trucks, vans, sedans, and appliances using color change, full print digital, and DPF. All you have to do is guess how long it'll take to wrap the object. The person closest to the time wins the prize package for that round. In addition to the Never Stop Learning Contest at the ISA Sign Show, there'll be the Rap Institute Demo Depot. This is a free 100% hands-on training area that is a playground for rapping. All skill levels are welcome. The TWI Demo Depot is filled with all types of wrapping films and tools from these leading manufacturers. In addition, there's a wide range of items to wrap: 3 cars, extra mirrors, door handles, and appliances. The Demo Depot also includes the Rap Warrior Cutting Contest, which is your chance to test your cutting skills and win a daily prize. There are 2 ways to register for the Demo Depot: pre-book your slot online or in person at the show. Only 15 participants are allowed in the Demo Depot area at one time, so pre-booking is the best option. Look for that link in the description. So, take your Never Stop Learning journey in the rap world to the next level by taking part in the Never Stop Learning Contest Live and the Demo Depot at the ISA Sign Expo, April 23rd through the 25th at the Mandalay Bay in Las Vegas. Be sure to tune in so you can learn to win.